Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to apply for microloans through Lendio. Microloans are small funding options often suited for startups, small businesses, or those with limited credit history. To apply through Lendio, all you got to do is first sign into your Lendio account. And then from your dashboard, you're going to select apply for a loan. Now just choose microloan as your loan type. And you're going to need to enter your business information, including annual revenue, years in operations, and the business purpose for the loan. You're also going to need to specify the loan amount that you need, but typically it's going to be under $50,000. Now upload required documents such as business bank statements, tax returns, and proof of business registration. You're also going to need to provide personal details, including social security number or EIN as requested. Be sure to disclose your credit score range to help Lendio match you with suitable lenders. Once everything is done, review your application thoroughly to ensure accuracy and then click Submit Application. Lendio will connect you with lenders that specialize in microloans for small or emerging businesses. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.